Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AI tools with Twitter, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Twitter account if you don't already have one. Make sure your profile is professional and clearly outlines your interest in AI tools and investing. Follow prominent figures in the AI industry, such as researchers, entrepreneurs, and tech analysts. Set up alerts for keywords related to AI, such as AI tools, machine learning, and automation. Look for trending hashtags that are associated with AI and technology discussions. Engage with relevant posts to build a network and enhance your visibility in the community. Join Twitter lists focused on AI and investment insights to streamline your feed. Regularly check for webinars, online events, and Twitter spaces that focus on AI developments. Monitor influential investors and firms that share insights on AI investments. Take notes on tools or companies that frequently come up in discussions. Research the AI tools mentioned in tweets to understand their market potential. Evaluate the credibility and track record of the companies behind these AI tools. Look for product reviews and user experiences on AI tools to gauge their effectiveness. Assess the market competition for these tools to better understand their positioning. Consider following AI-focused investment blogs or news outlets shared through Twitter. Engage in conversations that provide insights into upcoming trends and technologies. Track news articles shared on Twitter that pertain to AI funding rounds or acquisitions. Analyze the context and sentiment of discussions around specific AI tools to gauge public interest. Identify emerging startups in the AI sector that may have investment potential. Create a list of AI tools that align with your investment strategy based on your research. Continuously update your list as you gather more information and insights from Twitter. Start small by investing in low-cost AI tools or ETFs that focus on technology. Monitor your investments and stay involved in conversations to make informed adjustments. Reassess your strategy regularly based on new developments in the AI space. Keep an open line of communication with your Twitter network to share insights and trends. Stay patient and informed, as AI investments can take time to mature and yield results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.